Today I'm going to talk about the importance of the setup and ball placement. And one of the problems with setup and ball placement is the fact that we have visual illusions of the lane that most people don't know about. I've got a chart here that shows how most bowling books and most reference materials talk about the bowling lane. They see it like this. In actuality, though, because of an illusion called the Ponzo or convergence illusion, the bowling lane is much longer and narrower than our eyes tell us. So this visual illusion, this is how we see the lane. Here's the real dimensions of the lane from the foul line through the pins. Look how much longer the lane is and narrower than our eyes tell us. So we see this illusion. It allows our minds to make bigger angle changes when we set our bodies up on the lane. And these angle changes cause tremendous problems with our swings, with our alignment, and how we actually hit our target lines. So, with this in mind, now that we know the lane is longer and narrower than we think it is, we need to set our bodies up in a position parallel to what Coach Dell talked about as the line of play, the actual ball path that we intend the ball to take down the lane. So when you do that, you want to put your feet parallel to the intended ball path, and you can imagine the ball path in your mind's eye by drawing a line as to where you want the ball to go. And of course, most of us are throwing the ball away from the pocket. We're not throwing the ball to the pocket. We're throwing it to an intermediate target, and then the ball is going to hook to the pocket. So we want to align our feet parallel to that line of play. We want to put our ball underneath our bowling eye and support most of the weight of the heaviest ball in sport with our non-bowling hand so that our bowling hand, our bowling wrist, and our bowling arm can be relaxed and comfortable and not stressed or tense, okay? We also need to have a little bit of shoulder tilt, just some shoulder tilt, because if we have a shoulder tilt, the ball can swing by our body in a straight line. If we are square with our shoulders, the ball is going to hit our thigh as it goes into the swing or have to go around our body, which again causes swing and alignment problems and difficulties hitting our target. So those are the things we need to focus on. In addition to those things, we want to have a relaxed posture, but an athletic posture. We want to do breathing before we start the approach. And one of the big keys that people overlook sometimes is actually the ball placement into the swing. The ball placement, if it varies even just a half a degree, can make a huge change in the launch angles and in the direction of where the ball is going to go. So every time you want to use this support hand to help guide the ball into the swing in the same location every time. So ball placement is really consistent, and therefore swing angles are really consistent, launch angles are consistent, and the ball is going to go down your target line. So the overall key here is align your body in the right position. This is where the shot is created, in my opinion. Once you align your body in the right position and get in the right body posture, all you have to do then is let things happen naturally, and the ball is going to go down the target line more often than not. It's going to really increase your consistency, your accuracy, and it's going to give you better ball motion.